Hey everyone, welcome back to Fish Hunt Northwest. We're here in the kitchen with Chef Kelly. And boy, you have some mojo going on over there. What's going on?
Hey, you know, I'm happy to finally start cooking my pheasant that we shot earlier this year.
Hey, you didn't even let me say it. I was gonna guess it was pheasant.
Oh, it's chicken. It's no, it's actually a pheasant, guys.
Okay.
So today we're gonna be making a honey 5-spice chicken, or pheasant, sorry. You got me on the chicken
I
thing.
know it.
Right? Okay, so what we're doing today is we're going to cook it sous vide technique. And I wanted to show off this technique because there's some times where its application really does pay off. This marinade has a lot of sugar in it, so if you actually just pan-seared it, you might be towing the line of getting too much color on it. So, you know, that's where sous vide is good, because we're actually going to cook it in the bag just like this, in the water, and we're shooting for 148. That's me under what normally you would shoot for a chicken. Normally it'd be at least 155 because you have to deal with salmonella, but we don't really have salmonella with our wild game. Okay?
Okay.
That's a commercial problem.
Okay, so you've marinated it.
Yes.
And you've put it in the vacuum seal.
Yeah, well, I also dried it off. I mean, you can still see there's been a fair amount of liquid come out. Still, it pulled it out of it. So, yes, that's just the basic premise, is that you're going to season it, vacuum seal it, and cook it in here.
Okay.
So if I was going to do like a New York steak, same premise. Season it, put it inside the vacuum seal it, and then cook it inside here. And if you were going to shoot for like a medium rare, you go like 135, and you cook it in there. Then you take it out, dry it off, and then sear it. It's a perfectly done edge-to-edge cooked steak. You know, like typically, like if you cook a steak, you would have the center part would be your medium rare, then you have some gray area on top and bottom. That's not true with sous vide. It's really a great technique, and this is a good way to show it off. Okay, so let's start with our marinade. So we have some dark soy. This is a product that you're only going to find either online or at your Asian market. It's really hard to find even in your high-end supermarkets. So we're going to put 1 tablespoon of dark soy. The stuff is really strong, so got to go kind of light on it. About 2 tablespoons of hoisin. This is hoisin right here. It's you can get that at your regular grocery market. You know, it's also called like the Chinese barbecue sauce. That's what some people prefer.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna put 2 tablespoons.
And your cute little bear.
Oh, I know.
Well, it is an outdoor show. Yeah.
Give me some bear. You know, I want to cook some bear. Okay, so we're gonna put in. Yeah.
You hear that? Get some bear.
Get some bear for me.
I think Stephanie Barnum has got a bear before.
Oh, good. Yeah. I need that. Okay, so there is actually a 5-spice powder. You can actually make your own, but this brand is great. I get this at the Asian market. Okay. So I'm going to add about...
So it's an actual 5-spice powder?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, about a tablespoon of garlic, and we're good to go. So we're just going to add our pheasant.
So that's like 2 breasts.
2 breasts. Okay. This could probably be enough for probably 8 breasts. I mean, you know, for this size.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, so you can see this is a very thick, very strong marinade. So you only need, you know, a couple hours most to get maximum flavor out of this. Okay. All right, so that's what I did there. So that's ready to go. This is already cooked off, ready to go. Okay, so now we're going to work on our stir fry. So I just have some multicolored carrots here. I kind of pre-blanched them, and I took the strings off of the sugar snap peas. So, we got our pans nice and hot.
Some cool looking carrots.
Okay. Alrighty, get rid of that.
You still need this?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So,
almost took them away.
Yeah. Don't touchy.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, so we just gotta dry off our pheasants.
Oh, yeah.
Just like that. Can I get a new towel?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, just dry this off. Just like that. Thank you. Okay, so remember, we're not really cooking this, we're just getting a crust on there and done. Because it's already cooked.
Wow.
Okay. We're gonna add some garlic, a little bit of ginger.
Look at the colors. Smell-o-vision. We need that. You put quite a bit of oil on there. No?
Yeah, you know, the deal is that I don't want to, see, we're getting our good sear already. I just want to, because they're really stiff, you can see how like,
Oh, yeah.
because they're already cooked. So you're just trying to get some good surface contact.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we have our ginger and garlic on our, and it's just a little bit of salt to the stir fry, but not much because, you know, we have our reserve marinade right here,
Okay.
and I just reduced that down. Make sure you cook it.
Yeah, you need to cook that off, right?
Right, because you know
Yeah.
we have those raw juices, and that's just not no bueno. Okay, and that's done. That's ready to go.
So good. Plating already?
Plating already.
Wow.
I'm gonna add a little bit of green onions, probably a tablespoon of each. Green onions and cilantro.
Okay.
Aren't those carrots pretty?
Yeah. All of it's just so, what am I trying to say? Colorful, but just bright. Bright.
Vibrant.
Vibrant. Thank you. That's the word.
I knew I was good for something.
Yeah. Sometimes.
Okay, so
You know, little Wilson thought this was his hot tub earlier.
the hot dog.
A little bit of hotness on him, huh?
Yeah, right? Okay, so then we're gonna take our reserve marinade that we cooked off. Don't go too heavy on this because it's pretty powerful.
Thank you.
Okay,
Oh.
just a little bit more green onions, cilantro. We'll do a little bit of sesame oil. Maybe sesame seeds too.
You know what I just realized?
What?
This meal's for me.
Yeah,
It's completely keto.
completely keto.